So I've had the Hydron carbon engine clean. It's been done. Just driven the car home about 5 miles, and I have to say, performance wise, the engine is on song. It is definitely running better, it is idling better, it sounds better. So yeah, I have to say that engine clean has definitely worked. So yeah, like I said guys, it really does work. Also, as part of the service, free diagnostics that comes with it. I think to do that in any other garage, I think they wanted about 40 quid for that. So that comes part of it. And it showed up. I needed 1 or 2 little heat sensors. We cleared it, we checked again, and it come up. So it has definitely confirmed it needs a heat sensor. So yeah, all in all, that is 100 quid well spent. Engine clean, free diagnostics. Now know what I've got to do. But on top of that, the engine is running better. The car is just a better car. So yeah, wicked.